Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually make money while you guys are being in teen or in high school. You know, for teenagers that are trying to get some extra cash and don't want to go find a job. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually set this up the right way and how you guys can actually get started with it. But before we get started with the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And I'm still doing that 10K challenge, which I'm uploading every single day until I reach 10K. So if you guys want to help me out, hit that subscribe button. So what I want you guys to actually do and get started with is actually, there's two types of ways to actually do this. All right, is to create a YouTube channel or to create a website. I do have videos on how you guys could actually create a website and how you guys could step by step. But if you guys do need some extra help, I do have a free affiliate marketing course to help you guys out creating a website on that. So yeah, so I do have a free course for you guys to actually get started with that to create a website. And I do have affiliate marketing, how to create an affiliate marketing websites in my YouTube channel if you guys want to take a look at that. But yeah, so in this sake of this video, what you guys want to do is actually just create a YouTube channel. All right, because most people, you guys do not have to show your face when you guys are actually doing YouTube. This is what you guys are gonna do. I want you guys to actually look around your house and see what you guys actually love. All right, let's say you guys love this camera right here. All right, this camera. See what you guys actually love to use. All right, just look anywhere that you guys could think of. Anything you guys could think of that you guys love. All right, then what you guys want to do is create a YouTube channel around that. All right, a YouTube channel around a product. Let's say we're doing this camera, for instance. All right, what you guys want to do is actually go on YouTube and go on and look for the Canon type. My type is T1. All right, and just put reviews or tutorials or whatever. Reviews, tutorials, whatever you guys want. As you can see here, there's lots of reviews. Alright, what you guys want to do is look for 3 videos, or just look for 2 videos, 2 to 3 videos. Alright, just look at them, see what they're talking about, see what their things. Or if you guys do not want to do that, you guys could, if you guys already used the product multiple times, you guys already know how you could use it or how it is and stuff like that. So that's what you guys want to do. All right, then after, what you guys want to do is actually go to Amazon Associates, sign up through Amazon. All right, and then look up the product. So I'm gonna sign in and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do this. All right, I looked them up, and right now these cameras right here are going for $8.99. all right, which is pretty good. And I know in electronics is actually 6% that you guys get. So let me look up how much is this. $8.99 $0 times 6%. So you guys will actually get about $53.94 per every single time you guys get this. So that's a little extra money that you guys could get. Let's say you guys get 1 sale each day. That's and let's say times 7 out of the week, you guys will get an extra $377. All right, if you get 1 sale each day, like Monday through Sunday. So that's every single day. All right, let's say you guys get 1 sale. That's it. That's all you guys got to do to getting 1 sale each day to earn an extra $377.58. So it's doable. So that's what you guys got to do. All right, so after you guys get your link, and to get your link, this is all you guys got to do is go right here. I suggest to get the shortened link, which is right here. All right, so after you guys do that, what you guys want to do, I'm gonna show you guys an example on how they actually do it. So what you guys want to do is actually put your link down below in your description. All right, in your description, and just do it like that. Like, that's one of the easiest ways to actually get that, and all you guys gotta put is just put your link. Alright, so that's all you guys gotta do. You guys don't have to show your face. All you guys could do is just basically show the camera, because people don't want to see your face. To be honest, people don't care about how you look if they're just looking for a product they want. Alright, so what you guys could do is just take videos of the thing, and then do a voiceover right after. Alright, and that's all you guys gotta do to actually start doing that, which, you know, multiple people actually just do that and just start just start doing that. So just look around your house and see what you guys like, and you guys can start promoting that, and make sure it's around the niche, and then just start looking everywhere else. Like let's say anything electronic to do. Alright, just do this. And after that, you know, you got something tech, do headphones, you know, headphone Bose. These are Sony headphones, but yeah, just start doing that. And just keep on going, keep doing it, and that's how you guys can actually start making money. So yeah, guys, that's how you guys can actually get started with making money as a teenager. If you guys are still in high school, or like in the middle of going to college and trying to get extra money, all right, which you guys could actually get an extra $377 a week every single day by just as a teenager. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you guys could be up to date when I upload my next video. And also, I am if you guys do want to know how to create a website besides doing just YouTube, and if you guys are into you know, if you guys like writing more, then do articles about the product instead. All right, so you guys could actually start doing that. So I do have a free course on affiliate marketing, and I do have how you guys could create an affiliate marketing website for free. All right, well, you know, the course is for free, but you know, you guys do have to put money into it. The reason why I say YouTube is because it's completely free for you guys to get started, and if after that you guys could actually, after you guys grow that, you guys could actually build a online a website and start doing that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like